Sabi ni Sir.
Second x plus pi over 2 at x approaches pi over 3. First we're gonna do the trigonometric identity of cosecant y equals 1 over sine y, and then we're gonna simplify this. And after naman pala trigonometric identity is yung expression niya magiging 1 half cosecant x plus y over 2 equals 1 half times 1 over sine x plus y over 2. And then next ang gagawin natin is simplify natin ang simplify natin ito, sine x plus pi over 2 equals cosine x. Ang next ang gagawin natin is substitute na natin 1 half cosecant x plus pi over 2 equals 1 over 2 cosine x. Then ang magiging ano niya is cosine pi over 3 equals 1 half 1 over 2 cosine pi over 3 equals 1 over 2 times 1 half equals k1. At magiging, at ito naman sa number 15, limit tangent pi x over 2 as x approaches to 3. Yung ano natin, substitute natin ng x equals 3. Pi x over 2 equals pi 3 over 2, magiging 3 pi over 2. Since ang cosine 3 pi over 2 is equal to 0, and undefined na din talaga siya, ang answer na is does not exist.
Wow. Does not exist?